Hello, our Tsebo Nights. Today we're back in Cape Town. We got the Table Mountain behind us with our second annual Festival of Fusion Cape Town edition, and it is awesome. The energy is electrifying. Our suppliers came all out today. They're giving us the best of them. Our people are here. It's amazing. So make sure that we stay tuned for all of our highlights from Festival of Fusion Western Cape edition.
So we recently been listed with Tsebo, TS Africa, and so forth. So we're looking forward to working with Tsebo and having a good relationship with them.
So Tsebo's benefited us in a way that we've seen some growth. Tsebo has multiple units and establishment, and it's got a domino effect. So one unit will speak to another unit, and then we get our kind of marketing out there. So yeah, it's been beneficial for the company.
The demo kitchen is rocking and rolling. I've got Chef Angelo behind the grills. I've got Chef Liesel in the dessert section. They're doing amazing demos. And what can I say? This is how we do it at Tsebo.
I am with Milan's Dairy. We are situated in Paarl, and yeah, I've been there with them for 8 years already. We are very excited to have been invited to the show, and I must say it's very nice. Everything looks awesome, and yeah, I think everyone should come and enjoy the day with us.
So we recently partnered with Tsebo, and we're really impressed with them being here today, seeing all the suppliers together. You can see they're working together as a team, and they're including us in that. Yeah, it's really amazing to see that. It's something we haven't previously experienced with other similar companies.
So we're here bringing our suppliers straight to our people at Tsebo and showing them that procurement has everything you want, as well as we are one-stop shop at Tsebo. We can get all our products, and just engaging and our suppliers showing different products, other offerings that they have, and it's just simply amazing watching them engage with each other.